Have you ever tried poaching eggs, only for them to completely fall apart in the pot? The whites separate, the yolks lose their shape, and the whole thing just looks unappetizing. Today, I'm going to show you an incredibly simple method, no fancy techniques needed, that helps you make perfectly poached eggs with smooth whites wrapped neatly around the yolk, soft, delicate, and restaurant quality, even on your very first try. First, I prepare 4 glass cups. I fill each one about halfway with water. Then add a pinch of salt and gently stir until dissolved. This small step helps stabilize the water, allowing the egg whites to set more neatly during steaming without separating or becoming watery. Next, I crack 1 egg into each cup. While doing this, I handle them gently to keep the yolks perfectly intact. Inside the cup, the eggs naturally spread into a round shape, which helps create a smooth and beautiful final result. After that, I prepare a steamer pot, add water, and bring it to a strong boil. I place the cups onto the steaming rack, carefully set them inside the pot. Cover with a lid and reduce the heat to medium. I steam them for about 6 to 7 minutes. During this time, the egg whites become soft and silky, wrapping neatly around the yolks, while the yolks inside stay slightly runny and creamy instead of dry. Once the time is up, I turn off the heat and carefully remove the cups. If there's a thin layer of water on top of the eggs, I simply tilt the cup slightly to drain it off. Finally, I gently release the eggs onto a plate. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. The result is perfectly round, smooth-looking eggs that are incredibly appetizing. Cut into 1, and the yolk slowly flows out rich, creamy, and silky smooth, just like a restaurant-style poached egg made right at home. First, I prepare about 150 milliliters of vinegar. Then I take a large clean glass bowl and pour it in. Next, instead of cracking the eggs directly into the bowl, I crack each egg into a fine mesh strainer placed over the bowl. I do this gently to keep the yolks intact. At this point, the runny egg white will drain down, leaving the thick egg white clinging to the yolk in the strainer. After straining, I gently transfer the reserved egg mixture into the bowl of vinegar. I repeat this process until I have 5 eggs. This step removes the runny egg white, ensuring the eggs poach neatly, don't fall apart, and retain their beautiful round shape. I let the eggs soak in the vinegar for about 4 to 5 minutes to allow the egg whites to set slightly, which helps them hold their shape better when exposed to hot water. Next, I place a pot on the stove, add about 1 liter of water, and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling vigorously, I gently pour all the eggs into the pot. I wait for the water to return to a boil, then reduce the heat so the water simmers gently. During the poaching process, if foam rises to the surface, I use a spoon to skim it off, keeping the water clear so the eggs look cleaner and more appealing once cooked. I poach the eggs for about 2 minutes. At this point, the whites are just firm enough to hug the yolks tightly, while the inside remains soft, smooth, slightly creamy, and rich. Finally, I remove the eggs, let them drain, and arrange them on a plate. The result was perfectly formed eggs with smooth whites that gently cradled the yolks. When cut open, the yolks oozed slightly rich, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. You can easily make these at home, and they'll look just as good as those from a restaurant. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So, with just 2 simple methods, steaming in a cup and poaching with vinegar, I was able to create perfectly round, soft, and delicious eggs that look just as good as those from a restaurant. What about you? Which method do you prefer? The convenience of steaming in a cup or poaching with vinegar for a perfectly shaped, visually appealing result? Which one will you try first? Please leave a comment to let me know. I'd love to read your thoughts and try them out with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to give me the motivation to bring you even more great tips and simple recipes.